A brand new morning, a brand new start. Tiny footsteps, hopeful hearts. New little stories, wanting to pour. Little dreams, waiting to soar. With every laugh and every cheer begins the most beautiful time of year. A journey of wonder, bright and free, beginning just the way it should be.